Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your UCO bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and search UCO bank login. After that, you'll find UCO bank on top of your search list. Just click here and click on skip to content. As you can see, you're already redirected to the official page of UCO bank. Just simply click on login. Click on OK. After that, you'll be redirected to this page. Just look on top left corner of your screen and you'll find Net Banking Login. After that, you'll be redirected to this page. Just look on top left corner of your screen and you'll find Net Banking Login. And pick the best option that fits you. For now, I'll pick Retail Login. Finally, you are redirected to the login portal where you simply have to enter your user ID here and enter the CAPTCHA given below. And click on Login. That's how you log into your UCO bank account. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.